Hi, this is the new Nokia Asha 500 series. The first phone that we're launching in the series is the Nokia Asha 501 Dual SIM. So this is Asha 501. The first thing about this device is that there are very few buttons on the device. So from the front face, if you look at it, there's only one single pushback button. Everything else is optimized. Okay. If you see on the side, there are very minimalistic. There's small volume control buttons, and there's one lock screen here. Okay. Otherwise, it's a complete standout design. It comes in vibrant colors. The one in my hand right now is the bright red. There's also bright green, blue, white, black, and yellow. Okay, a lot of 6 colors available at launch. It's designed inside out. If you look at the back panel and the whole design of the vibrant colors, if you come into the front, the design extends all the way to the front and leaves a mark here. You can actually see the red color in the front. So it gives you the impression of what the whole body is made out of. Okay, we call this as a standout design, and we're calling it as a design inside out. What it means is that the small things that we've given attention to is not just outside about the number of buttons etc that we have, but it's also inside. So if I just open this back panel here, what you can see is that this entire body is built with the same color. Okay,
and the speaker is
here. Okay, near the push button. So that's where it's completely that's how it's completely designed. So there is beautiful vibrant colors outside, but in the inside it's one single color including the battery. Okay, that's why we're calling this as built inside out. Okay, look at the back cover. This can be exchanged, so you can change this into multiple colors. You can change this red to green to blue etc. Okay, and it fits in perfectly. Okay, it holds the body. So while it's a brilliant design, it's also durable because it fits into the whole body together. Okay, so typical of Nokia, completely built to last for long. Okay, that's about the first thing, which is the standout design. Now is about the whole richness of the UI, which is what I like the most. I've been using this phone for quite some time, and the things that I like the most is it talks to you when it's sleeping. Okay, currently the phone is sleeping, but it still talks to you. You can see a lot of things here. Okay, you can see the time here. Okay, it talks about what the current it shows what the current time is. There are a lot of notifications here. Okay, you can see profile. You can see that I have missed some messages.
So it's like Nokia's sleeping screen.
Yeah, absolutely. Okay, you can see the tasks that up ahead. You can see that I have emails. It also has Facebook notifications. Obviously, I don't have any right now, so fortunately, it's not showing up. Otherwise, it would show that as well.
What about Twitter? Does it show Twitter?
Yes. Yes. Okay. So all the notifications while the phone is sleeping. I've still not switched on the phone. Okay. That's the beauty of this phone. Now let me switch on the phone. Okay. A typical way to start a phone is to press the unlock button. I don't need to do that in this phone. Okay. All I need to do is just to double tap the phone and the phone starts. Okay. The phone starts.
It's a capacitive touchscreen.
Okay. Right? It's a capacitive touchscreen. Okay. So I'm unlocking again. The phone goes onto the lock screen. All you do is to just double tap. The phone starts, and you can see all the notifications here. Right? You can see all the notifications. Okay.
So can you like swipe a notification to get to the
you swipe all the notifications, or the best way is just swipe the most relevant ones. Okay. Let's say I have an email. Okay. And I have a dinner calendar in my this one. Okay. And I have a message. Let's say I just need to pick up the message. I can find the rest a little later. All I need to do is to just pick the relevant message. Okay, don't need to go to every single notification. Okay, and play with it. I can either swipe this to my right, or I can swipe this to my left. Okay, and then it gets me directly to the specific notification that I missed.
Nice.
Okay, there I have a message. Okay, and this is the message that I missed. I can just go to my typing message. There are multiple keypad options. What you see on screen right now is the Urdu keypad option. Okay, I don't understand the language. Let me go back to the language that I'm familiar with. Okay, English. Okay, I can type whatever I want. Okay, let's say saying I'm loving green color here. Okay, I could do that. I could pick the SIM of my choice. Okay, and send the message. Okay. There are many more languages, Indian languages available. Okay, you could swipe in, you could go to multiple keyboard options. There is Hindi available, there is Kannada, there is Urdu, there is all the South Indian languages. Okay, the best thing about this phone is that all you need to do is to just swipe
from the
to exit a particular application. Anything that you're doing on the phone, all you need to do is to just exit the application. Okay, let's go to music. Okay, these are the songs that I've been hearing right now. I don't need to go to the songs and filter that. I can just go to this and start the album altogether. Okay, it starts off, right? I control my volumes from these volume keys. The song is on. Okay, if I want to exit the application right now, I don't need to do back. All I need to do is to just, I'll reduce the volume. Okay, all I need to do is to swipe either to my left or to my right. Okay, music continues to play. Yeah, music runs in the background. So that's what is the
music player multitasks. And
yes, absolutely. Okay, so the best part of that is that everything is managed through a swipe. Okay, the device has 4-way swipe. Okay, you can swipe to your left, you can swipe to your left or right, you can swipe from the top, which brings you to the wireless screens. You can control all your wireless here. You have Wi-Fi, you have Bluetooth, you have internet, you have profiles. You also can see your notifications. If you go to any specific application, let's say I go to my phone book here. Okay, I swipe from the bottom. Okay, sorry.
The little extended notification thing.
Yeah, can you see that here?
Yeah.
It brings you to all the additional options that I have. You know, adding contacts, copying contacts, deleting contacts, etc.
Other screens also, and other apps.
Yes, wherever you enter an app and
you see the 3 lines.
You see the 3 lines for you to get to more options. Okay. So the screen is completely optimized so that it doesn't occupy space on giving options on the screen. And so screen you will see everything that you need to see.
Now that the music is playing, how do you control the music without going to music play? Can you go to the
best part of this phone? Yeah, the best part of this phone is that it has something called fast lane. Okay, a very unique feature, very relevant. Okay, I go to my fast lane, I see everything that I've done on this phone, whether it's yesterday, today or tomorrow, right? So this is all the stuff that I've done yesterday. You can see my LinkedIn app, I've played on the Red Bull app. Okay, I made some notes which I haven't sent to anyone. I played a few apps, weather app, etc. Okay, I come to today. Let's see what all I've done on this phone today, right?
I'm stop the music from here. Yeah.
Yes, control everything from here, right? So I'll restart it again, starting it again. Completely multitasking.
Okay. So we'll just stop the music because we don't get in trouble with YouTube.
Yes. So
and there's an FM play radio in it.
There is, yes, and you can control that straight away from this.
Okay.
The best part of the FM player is that the richness of the UI, and this is what we call as. There's a lot of effort which has gone into the details.
So these red
headsets.
Red headsets. Does every color version come with the one color headset?
Yes, everything comes with the red color because red is the most vibrant color.
Do all of them come with red color, or do all of them come?
Everything comes with the red color.
Okay.
That's the bright color. So I go to my FM, which is on my fast lane, which means that I played it before. Okay. Look at the richness of this UI. It's amazing. This is how you control your stations.
That's cool.
Let's say I want to go to 93.5. This is how I go. Okay. That's manual. If you need to go to automatic, it says Red FM, right? Picked up that 93.5 is Red FM. Okay. This is that's manual change. This is automatic change. Okay. Let's say radio is running and I don't want to listen to that. I just want to exit that. All I do is this. Now, when you go back to my fast lane, what it shows me is that now it's not the music player which is right up there. It's actually the radio which is up there. Okay. So that's multitasking. Let's say the music continues to play. You can go check your videos. Okay. Let the video play. Okay. Videos are playing here, which is the Nokia video. So I guess you'll not have
problems with it.
Okay. So I'm playing the video. Okay.
So the screen, what size is the screen exactly?
The screen size is 3-inch QVGA. Okay. I exit the videos and suddenly on my videos it's up there on the fast lane. Radio was still on. That's the reason why radio is showing right up there in the fast lane. Okay. Fastlane has 3 things. Okay, it tracks my past, the last 50 activities that I've done on the phone.
Okay.
What we've realized is that most of the things that you do on your phone is repetitive.
Yeah.
You make calls, okay, you address or receive messages, you go to your favorite apps, you go to your gallery to check images that you've done, you listen to music, you check out videos. Okay, all that is tagged into one place. So all 50 activities that you've done on your phone is all there in one place, so that you don't need to go to multiple places and restart everything. Okay. The beauty of that is that you can go back and restart any of the apps that you've done, right? You love listening music, you paused it, you go back to your Fastlane and restart it. You're onto Facebook, go back to Facebook and relaunch it, right? So like the way you have it here. Okay, I haven't gone to Facebook for quite some time, so you can press that and it goes back. That's about the past.
Even from here, you can just swipe to go back to the main.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, that's cool.
Okay, so that's about the past in Fastlane, which is the 50 activities. There is also the present, which is about directly uploading from Fastlane. You don't need to go to the application and launch Facebook there. Okay, I see the notification integration here. What's on your mind?
You can update.
Okay. I'm saying.
That's cool.
Loving following Jeff. Okay, I do this. It's straight away now posting onto my Twitter and Facebook.
That's very cool. That's very cool.
Okay, while it continues to do that at the background. Okay, I'll just go back. Okay, can you see that right now on my fast lane?
That's cool. That's cool.
How much time did it take?
Yeah, that's very cool.
Right? It's straight away onto my fast lane right now. So I can post directly here. And if I scroll this down, it will also show my upcoming events. Okay, so Fastlane shows you the last 50 activities. It makes you upload onto the social integration directly from the Fastlane, and it also shows the upcoming events. Okay, so that's Fastlane.
So those are all the primary features of the Nokia Asha
501.
Is there anything else you'd like to say before we end the video?
A couple of things which are pretty interesting. This is the new clock. Okay, it shows what time of the day it is. Right, it's a little sunny right now in India, so that's what you see on the screen.
That's nice.
By the evening, you will see a bit of moon and stars. Okay, so it's pretty cool. And look at, if I need to put an alarm, which most of us like to do on our phone. Look at this intuitive UI. Right, I keep changing this. I keep changing this. You know, it's amazing. It moves with you. It's a great new UI on this phone.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, and the last thing about internet. Okay, we call this as personal internet.
The Express Now browser.
Express Now browser. A lot of web apps that we've loaded for consumers to get directly from the home screen.